Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you the weekly update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. We are in Albion St. Thomas and we are giving you a tour of the finished sections of this highway. Now this section goes from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. 4-lane dual carriageway, one of the nicest roads you're going to find anywhere in Jamaica. So we're just going to give you a tour of this section. We're in Albion now, and we're going to go up to Mesbah Gardens. And this section of the road is finished, although only 2 lanes are open, but the road is finished in this section. I think the only thing left for this section is to put in the white lines. But this gives you an excellent idea of what the highway is going to look like. So you're going to have a road like this, a 4-lane dual carriageway from Albion all the way to Harborview. Now the entire road is going to be opened, the Harborview to Yallus section, by December. They're hoping to get 2 lanes open by the end of August and all 4 lanes open by the end of December. Now between Albion and 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, the 2 lanes are open already. It's just the other section from 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay to Harborview that some work is being done. Some sections of that area have not been paved yet. But we're just touring the finished sections now. You really have to give credit to the government for building this road. Now I don't know which government, because this road started years before the construction started, but this is what you call progress for Jamaica. Definitely what you call progress. Remember, we're going to give you weekly videos on this project until the end of August. Alright guys, have a good day.